Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Windscribe promo codes in 2025. So as you can see that currently I'm on windscribe.com website, and it is a VPN that you can use in order to check out other states and locations. So here if I click on the pricing option, you can see that their monthly plan starts from $9 per month, but if you subscribe for the yearly plan, you can just get it for $5.75. However, you can even use it for absolutely free. So here if you want to get a coupon code, you can just enter that coupon code here and press submit. I will try to put the best coupon codes or the deals down in the description, so you can check that out, the description as well. But the second thing that you can do is you can simply open the web browser and you can search for Windscribe promo code 2025. Now here you will see a bunch of different websites that will provide you promo codes, so you just have to simply click on the websites and you need to open them in a new tab one by one. Then you need to hop on to those websites in order to avail these coupon codes. So as you can see that this deal is giving you 58% off, and this one is giving you Windscribe for only 2.42 per month. So if you are interested in this deal, you need to simply click on get deal option, and it is saying you that no need for coupon codes. You need to just click the button below and the deal will be activated. So you need to just click on this link, and let's see if we see some drop in the prices or not. So as you can see that it has redirected me on windscribe.com, where you just have to first create your account, and at the time of checkout you will see the pricing for $2.42, and if you see that, you can definitely grab this offer. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.